Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain 5 methods to calculate average number in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, apply for subject 1 by 1 and divide by 4. Equal, click on 100 plus 99 plus 97 plus 100. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and divide by 4. Press enter and double click. Secondly, I use the quick analysis tool. Select all. Click on quick analysis tool. Click on total. Next, and click on average. In this part, I can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Q. Select all. Press Ctrl+Q. Thirdly, I use the shortcut key of the average. In Microsoft Excel, the shortcut key to calculate the average is Alt+H+U+A. Now I use the shortcut key to calculate the average. Select all. Press Alt+H+U+A. Fourthly, select all. Click on AutoSum and click on average. Lastly, I use the average function. What is the average function in Microsoft Excel? The average function is a primitive function that calculates the average number. Now I use the average function. Select all, delete, equal. Click on the average function. Select the math of 4 subjects, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. The average function is a good method to calculate the average number. When you calculate the average, you should use the average function. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video.